Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro, elevating home entertainment with intelligent ambient lighting. The Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro represents a significant advancement in ambient lighting technology, designed to transform everyday TV viewing into a more immersive and cinematic experience. Built for modern home entertainment setups, this smart backlighting system synchronizes lighting effects with on-screen content in real time, enhancing visual depth, atmosphere, and overall engagement. At the core of the TV Backlight 3 Pro is Govee's industry-first HDR triple camera system. Unlike earlier single-camera solutions, the triple camera setup captures on-screen colors with greater precision and depth, resulting in more accurate color mapping across the LED strip. This system is supported by advanced dual exposure algorithms, ensuring reliable performance in both bright and dark scenes. The result is smoother color transitions and improved responsiveness, even during fast-moving or high-contrast content. The backlight itself features a high-density 16-bit RGBIC LED strip, delivering richer colors, finer gradients, and significantly higher brightness than previous generations. The inclusion of both warm and cool white LEDs allows the system to function not only as dynamic accent lighting but also as a practical ambient light source when the TV is off. Govee claims noticeable brightness and clarity improvements, making the lighting more vivid without appearing harsh or distracting. One of the standout features is AI film mood matching, which goes beyond simple color mirroring. This intelligent system analyzes content genre and scene tone to create lighting effects that complement the emotional atmosphere of movies, shows, and games. Additionally, features such as black bar detection help maintain accuracy during widescreen playback by preventing unnecessary lighting in unused screen areas, while automatic screen-off detection improves energy efficiency. The Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro integrates seamlessly into smart home ecosystems. It supports Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Matter, allowing for voice control and broader automation compatibility. Through the Govee Home app, users can fine-tune colors, brightness, scenes, and dynamic effects, or connect the backlight with other Govee products using DreamView Sync to create a fully synchronized room-wide lighting setup. Available in sizes tailored for 55 to 65-inch and 75 to 85-inch TVs. The Govee TV Backlight 3 Pro is well-suited for living rooms and home theaters alike. Overall, it offers a premium solution for users seeking intelligent, responsive, and visually striking ambient lighting that enhances both entertainment and everyday living spaces.